What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So with this crash that we're seeing right now, the negative movement, right? Let's not really call it a crash, even though we can look at the overall percentage and say, yeah, it looks like it could be that. With this happening, a lot of people are getting very, very worried as to if we are going to see an altcoin season, if they should even put stock into this, if they should invest in lower and just sit on the sidelines until it gets down to the lowest point. Especially like the people that bought into like XRP and things that kind of already have run quite a bit, like Solana, Bitcoin, XRP, and some others as well. They're like, are we going to see altcoin season? Are we not going to see altcoin season at all? Are we going to see this get back to normal or get back to higher highs? We have bullish news. So why are we not seeing the bullish actions, right? And it's not something that has me worried at all. I understand how people can get very, very upset by seeing things that happen like this. But again, I've said it plenty of times. When things like this happen, it is meant to scare everybody that's already in the cryptocurrency market. Whether you're talking about the stock market, the real estate market, the wherever, right? It's always meant to scare people out, right? Where you have those people, right, that are like, I don't want to see this fall. I don't want to be negative, and I'm not going to be that person that holds on for a very, very long time, right? However, if you look at what history has shown you, right? If you invest over time, you're going to be able to profit a lot more than if you would try and time the market. And yes, we can say 2025 should be an altcoin breakout. And honestly, I believe it still should be. Doesn't mean it 100% will be. No, we could see a complete change. Just like how we're seeing the crypto market gather all of this interest related to ETFs, related to crypto reserve, related to a lot of different things, that could completely change the dynamic of how crypto is rolling, no matter if we are still in the same cycle or not when it comes to the Bitcoin halving, right? Anyways, let's get into that. We're going to go into where the market is right now, why I'm really not concerned and all that stuff there. So hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to check out my link for BTCC, it's a platform to where once you see these lows, you can find some good opportunities to leverage trade into. I have a leverage trading position, many leverage trading positions that I'm in. And I want to continue to buy at these lower levels so that I can be a part of it when it does fly, right? But I'm only risking what I'm willing to lose because leverage trading is very risky. And if you don't know that, make sure you guys get educated on what leverage trading actually is. Reach out to me on Patreon, whatever the case may be. But you can get a 10% deposit bonus when you use my link, as well as extra bonuses and 40% lower trading fees. So feel free to check out my link down there in the description. It honestly is a really, really good platform. However, if we look at the crypto market, the crypto market is currently standing at $2.7 trillion market cap. It's down about 5% over the last 24 hours. And you could also see that the Bitcoin dominance is still hovering around 61%. So we are nowhere near altcoin season. We are not there yet. Are we going to get there? It really all depends. I still firmly believe that we are going to get there 2025. Obviously after people pay taxes and all that stuff. So after tax season, somewhere around the May timeframe, I believe that we could see the April to May timeframe is where we're going to see that really start. But right now, you're still in the midst of tax season. People are paying taxes. We've always seen some negativity within that time frame. Now, we've had some positivity. We've had Donald Trump come out and say that he's looking to establish a crypto reserve where Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Solana, ADA, a lot of these American led cryptocurrencies, as well as Bitcoin and Ethereum. And we were seeing a lot of hype as that was announced. Now, know that if we are in a negative market, we're going to see a catch up to that market. And whether we had that news or not, we were going to see negativity. Now, since we did have that news, it ended up exploding and moving to a whole nother level, which was great to see. But eventually the market caught up in what the market was supposed to do. You can see things as we go into the coin market cap here. Bitcoin is at 82 almost $83,000. It's down by 4% over the last 7 days, down by 12% at a $1.6 trillion market cap. Ethereum is down to $2,000, which honestly I think is a absolute steal price right now. XRP down to about $2, which is great. Again, if you wanted to leverage trade or if you wanted to just buy outright, you have a great opening to buy in lower than the $3.40 mark. BNB down to $550. Solana closing in on the $100 mark, below my cost basis, I might add. So it makes me want to continue to buy more Solana, knowing that I can see $1,000+ for Solana's future. ADA below $1, Dogecoin below 20 cents, and many other things that are happening that really are showing so much promise, so much light. Seeing Avalanche down to $17, $18, I mean, is a steal for me. I love Avalanche, and I'll continue to buy more Avalanche as time goes on, so that I can gather a crazy amount. And then when you see the ultimate price that it gets to, as well as the use cases and all that stuff, you end up benefiting in a large way. Now, I'm not panicking. The entire market is crashing. It's falling down to lower and lower figures, right? We can look at some of the highest drops. We have Pi that's down by 25%, Jasmy Coin that's down by 18%, almost reaching below the 1 cent mark, which again, I feel like is a steal for compared to where it was at 5.5, 6 cents or so. This is a steal price that only gives you these opportunities a couple of times. And then when you're able to capture those opportunities, a lot of the people that miss out say, I should have bought when it was at this low point. I should have leverage traded when it was at this low point. And shoulda, coulda, wouldas never really help you. You can learn from them, but a lot of people don't, right? They just go, I just missed the opportunity. No, you decided not to buy into that position because you were fearful that it was going to drop more. 1.3 cents is phenomenal. If that was where my cost basis was or below my cost basis, I would buy it. My cost basis is around 40% of a penny. So if it finds a way to get back down to that point, absolutely, I will buy another million Jasmy Coin, 100%, because I believe in Jasmy Coin and where that's going. But there's so many other opportunities that are doing the same thing that you guys are missing out on. And I know it's because of fear. And many people have said in my comment section, oh, things are dropping down. It's over. Crypto is just going to, it's going to down, for lack of a better, I don't really have a term for it. I don't want to say the term that I was going to say, but it's going to a place where a lot of people believe that it shouldn't have been or shouldn't be. And they're panicking because of it. And they're just like, I'm done with crypto. That's not the way that you look at it. If the market crashes down to lower levels, whether you're talking about stock, crypto, real estate, futures, whatever you're talking about, those markets, you look at it as an opportunity. That's the way that I look at it. I mean, you can look at it however you want. I don't want to take this video to say that you guys need to physically do this. You could do whatever you want. It's your decision. It's your opinion on the market. I have my own opinions on the market. But just know that history has shown, right, that when you see these collapses, a lot of people end up making a ton of money off of these falls and rises that we see. So I'm excited for what this can be. I got to find some money to be able to move around so that I can throw into different positions. But we'll see how that plays out. Let me know if you're buying anything right now in these markets. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you guys check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. Today is a pretty bloody Sunday, I'll tell you that. But again, these times don't make me upset, and they should only make you upset if you invested more than you are willing to lose, more than you are willing to risk. If you need the money now, it should make you furious. If you don't need the money now, then you see it as an opportunity. That's just the way that I look at it. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.